All right, folks, we got a 2017 Acura RDX here. We have to change the wiper blades. These blades were picked up from the dealership, so this should be exactly the same as this. Now what you do is you unclip it right here like that. That's what locks it in, and pull down on it, and it should come right up. But make sure you don't let this arm fall down and hit the windshield, because it can crack it depending on the temperature. On a hot day, it will crack it very easily. All right, so now what we're gonna do is drop this in here like this. You see, this here goes in here. All right, so you have to drop this in here like that, and just push up away from the car. And that's all it is to it. It's locked. Do the other side. Again, hold that. That's the locking device. And hold this. Push down. Get it out of there. If you want, you can lay the arm back down so you don't have an accident. Take the new one. Doesn't matter what end you loosen it from, just there to cut the plastic. Slide it out. Unlock it. Bring it up. Drop it in there. Pull. Lock. Nice and simple. All right, folks, you got that. And if you like what you see, please remember, give us the thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video. Come back again.